in and stay a while, so I can show you how easy it is to make stunning DIY home decor with Chalk Couture. Pair our Come On In transfer with our 6x18 box frame for a welcoming piece that will last a lifetime but can be made in just minutes. I've got all of my supplies, so we're ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is use my transfer trimmers to cut apart my transfer along the provided cut lines. Once I've got them all cut apart, I'm going to fuzz my transfer. To do this, I'll remove the transfer from its backer. This is a reusable adhesive silkscreen designed so that you can make this project again and again. So hold on to that backer sheet so you can store the transfer later. Now I'm sticking my transfer onto my fuzzing cloth. This is a microfiber cloth that works to help gentle the adhesive on a sticky transfer. It works by picking up a little lint so that the transfer doesn't stick so hard against your surface. Then let's center the transfer in my box frame and smooth it out so it's well adhered and there are no wrinkles. Now we can jump into chalking. For this project, I'm using our Chalkology paste in the colors Ocean Mist and Shimmer Gold. Using one of my small squeegees, I'm loading up some Ocean Mist paste and just applying that directly to the transfer. I'm using this color to chalk Come On In and the border. I'm just spreading the paste across the screen and removing any excess. The more paste you remove, the more seamless an application. For this project, I'm not going to chalk and cozy up, so I'm working my way around the border, avoiding that screen area. Perfect! Now it's time to peel the transfer off. I'm using the pointy end of a detail tool to help lift that transfer out of the corner of the box frame. Once I've got it lifted, I'm moving my hands to the middle so I'm pulling evenly on the transfer. This will help avoid stretching the transfer and causing it to warp. Oh, it's looking so good! I need to fill in that blank space, but before I can do that, my paste needs to be dry. I'm using a quick dry tool to help it dry a little faster. Alright, I want to use the "and stay a while" element for this project, so let's get that placed. Now I'm using my other clean squeegee to chalk this in Shimmer Gold. This is one of my absolute favorite color pairings. Alright, that's covered, so let's peel it off. It is so crisp, clean, and oh so cute. We like to keep things simple around here, so the cleanup is a piece of cake. This is what we call a water bath. You can also wash your transfer easily in the sink under running water. I'm using our board eraser to wipe down my transfer. This is a must-have for cleaning our transfer, tools, and chalkboards. I'm just getting the transfer wet and wiping both sides of it clean. Once the paste is washed out, you can lay it flat to dry, or use our fuzzing cloth to help dry it off. Lay it down and use paper towels to wipe off the water from both the top and from the adhesive side. Now let's just repeat that with my second transfer piece. Once your transfers are completely dry, you're ready to reapply the backer. Here's a pro tip. Instead of trying to put the floppy transfer onto the backer, lay the transfer down sticky side up and line up the glossy side of the backer with the transfer. Place it, smooth it out, and it's good to go. With proper care, these transfers can be used again and again. And from start to finish, it really is as simple as this. Create custom and beautiful high-end DIY home decor with Chalk Couture. So go design, love, and repeat. Happy chalking!